Hi everyone, this is Digital Abhi, and in this video we will learn how to compress images in WordPress using Smush. So first we need to know what is the need of compressing images. Look, we all use images on our website to make the user experience good. But sometimes the images are huge in size like 1 MB or 2 MB or 3 MB or maybe even more than that. So what happens is the more images you use, the slower your website gets because images occupy a lot of space on your server. So the more number of images you are using, the higher will be the space occupied on server and the slower will be the speed of your website. So what we want to do is we want to reduce the size of images without affecting the quality of images. What will happen if we do this? The images will occupy less space on server, thereby making our website faster. To compress the images in WordPress, we will use a plugin called Smush. To install the plugin, go to Plugins in the left sidebar and click on Add New. And here, search for Smush. This is the plugin we are going to use. As you can see, it is already having 1 million plus active installations. Click on Install Now. And then activate. Now if you will notice, an extra option of Smush is added in the left sidebar of our WordPress dashboard. Click on it. Now here you can see that Smush is saying that you have 7 attachments that need smushing. It means that we have 7 attachments that we can compress. So click on Bulk Smush now. And it will start compressing the images. Sometimes this process can take a few minutes, so you can just do some other task while Smush is compressing the images. So I will just pause this video for a moment. Okay, so now the images have been compressed, and here you can see that 3 images were successfully compressed, but 4 encountered some issues. Sometimes you can face these issues, so what you can do is you can re-upload the images in WordPress and then again try compressing these images. So here you can see that Smush has saved us 128 KB of space, approx 128 KB of space. Now you will see that 128 KB is very less, how it will affect the website speed. You can see that this is just a trial website which I have created just to show you some tutorials of WordPress. But believe me, when you will create an actual website and start uploading content on it, you will have hundreds of images, maybe even thousands after some time. And then this plugin will prove to be really helpful, as it can save you a lot of space and help in improving the speed of your website. The plugin Smush also offers you some extra options. You can give them a try if you want. So this is how you can compress images using the plugin Smush. That was all for this video. I will come up with another WordPress tutorial as soon as possible. Till the time, stay happy, stay blessed, and subscribe to Digital Abhi.